بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Excellency, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan, Minister Rashid Ghaddafi, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to stand before you today at this important gathering. We are here with representatives from governments, international organizations, financial institutions, and businesses from across Asia and beyond. I sincerely thank the government of Turkmenistan for organizing this conference and inviting us to engage in a productive discussion. As we gather under the theme of International Year of Peace and Trust, Afghanistan is actively strengthening its role in regional activity, energy security, and economic growth among our regional partners. Today's discussion is on interregional economic cooperation and sustainable development came at a crucial time. We are at the brink of strong partnerships and innovative solutions. I would like to highlight the long-standing relationship between Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. For many years, our two nations have worked together, bound by cultural, economic, and strategic ties. Energy cooperation has been a key part of our relationship that we want to make stronger. At the Afghanistan Mission Center, we recognize that there is more than just our drive and economic growth, improve infrastructure and stabilizing the region. Through our collaboration with Turkmenistan, we are not only meeting energy goals but also contributing to regional peace, growth, and connectivity. We are witnessing a historic moment, the emergence of strategic transit corridor in our region. This corridor is a 500-kilovolt transmission line linking Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, transmitting up to 3,000 megawatt electricity. This transmission line is prepared to regional cooperation, economic development, and stability. By creating shared energy infrastructure, we are enabling economic integration and many new opportunities for trade and investment. We together committed in order to have 220 megawatt substation in Herat. And also, we are close to complete 500 kilowatt transmission line from Turkmenistan to Kabul, which can import more than 1,000 megawatt electricity. I would like to mention the Turkey project. The Turkey gas pipeline from Turkmenistan to India, from Afghanistan and Pakistan, a global scale energy supply initiative that our great partner Turkmenistan is already implementing inside Afghanistan. Turkey rewrite regional energy dynamics. The largest leverage reconnecting South Asia from Afghanistan to Europe, to Turkmenistan and other stakeholders in the region and beyond. This will be an addition to international connectivity. Beyond Turkmenistan, Afghanistan also plays a key role in the all regional energy projects. The Kasa-1000 project connecting Central Asia and South Asia to Afghanistan will bring electricity from Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan to Afghanistan and Pakistan. This initiative will bring huge connectivity among mentioned countries, stepping forward for further joint opportunities. Afghanistan has long-term power economy with Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and Iran. As a result, our infrastructure is evolving beyond energy modes, transforming into a strategic transit corridor that facilitates energy flow between Central and South Asia. Historically, Afghanistan has been a bridge between Central and South Asia, connecting cultures, economies, and trade routes. Today's energy transfer projects are making Afghanistan a modern bridge for power sustainability. Turkmenistan and other Central Asian nations are rich in energy sources, while South Asia has a growing demand for energy. By developing strong energy infrastructure, we are promoting connectivity, economic cooperation, and regional stability. Afghanistan has enormous untapped energy potential, including hydropower, solar, wind, and digital gas. Therefore, it is an excellent opportunity to provide regional and international investment to explore and invest in our energy sector. With the right investment in collaboration, Afghanistan can join its Central Asian partners and energy supply, taking EU in regional energy security and stability. We also want to emphasize that Afghanistan is open for business. The country is safe, transparent, and committed to long-term economic development. Many local and international investors are already engaged in promising projects showing confidence in Afghanistan's economic future. Our vision is not just about expanding energy infrastructure, but also about promoting renewable energy, energy efficiency, and digital integration. By working together, we can make this forum a key forum for sustainable energy development and trade, ensuring long-term stability and prosperity for Central Asia and beyond. In conclusion, I sincerely thank the organizer and all participants for this opportunity to share our vision. Through dialogue, cooperation, and shared experiences, we can build meaningful partnerships and advance digital economy cooperation. By working together, we can turn our vision into reality, a future where peace, trust, and development will for all nations. Thank you so much for